how to create this flicker effect in Premiere Pro. This vid will show you how to make the effect in 2 different ways and save it as a preset so you can use it in future projects. So starting with the most basic way to do it, zoom all the way into your timeline, move the playhead to 1 frame in from the beginning, then press Ctrl and K to make a cut, and then press the right arrow key to move along 1 frame, make another cut, and repeat this another 2 times to make 4 cuts altogether, and delete 2 sections like this. So there's your very basic flicker, and we can do the same to the other end to flicker it out. And then if we add a flickering light sound effect and play it back, this is what we get. The next step is to save this as a preset, so in future we can just drag and drop the effect onto a clip rather than having to cut every clip like we just did there. But to save it as a preset, we actually have to create the effect in a different way. So here's method 2. This time we're going to use keyframes to create the effect. So select the clip, open up effect controls, and with the playhead at the beginning, under opacity, hit the stopwatch to create the first keyframe and set the value to 50. Now hit the right arrow key to move 1 frame along and set the value to 0. Same again and set the value to 25, and again set the value to 0, another keyframe and set the value to 75. Now move along 2 keyframes and set the value to 25, and the last one, move along 3 keyframes and set the value to 100. From there, if we expand the opacity, we can see the keyframe graphs, random enough for a light flicker, and if you want, you can smooth it out by grouping the keyframes and selecting Bezier. Now to save that effect as a preset, right click on opacity, go to save as preset, give it a name, let's call it flicker in, set the type to anchor to in point, which means this effect will anchor to the in point of your clip. Then press OK and that saves that as a preset. So you get the idea. You can do the same in reverse to flicker it out, and then you can save that as a preset. And then if we remove all those keyframes from our clip, then go down to effects and search for flicker, we can see the effects that we've created there, and we can drag them on to the clip, and there it is. And let's also grab a flicker out one that I made earlier and then play that back. And if you separate the letters into their own clips and put them on different tracks and then stagger them, then select all the clips, drag a preset that we just made, drag it onto the clips, you get a more interesting effect. Probably makes more sense to mix these up actually. Let's add some sound effects, a flickering light effect, let's edit that to the effect and check it out. And to show you how fast presets can make your editing in Premiere, here's a completely dry segment, a few clips cut to the right length in the right order, but no effects and no movement yet. Currently it plays like this. How to create this flicker effect in Premiere Pro. So let's add some movement to that, starting with the Premiere icon. I want to slide that in from the bottom, so I'll search for that in the presets and drag that on. And while I'm there, I'll grab a preset to slide it back out again. That's the icon done. Now let's affect these pink clips. Those are the words that say how to create this. So I'll click and drag to group those and search for a preset that will fade them in smoothly. I can then drag that onto the clips, which will affect all of them in one go. Nice fade up there. And then let's blur these words out in the same way. Search for a blur out effect, drag them onto the clips. Looks like that. Next up, let's head down to the word flicker. I've got duplicate layers there as I'm going to add a glow to the bottom layer. But first I'm going to add those flickers, so I'll just search for flicker in, drag that down, there's the flicker, then back up, I'll grab flicker out, drag that down, that'll be anchored to the out point. Now let's move to the word effect, and I want that to kind of move in left, so I'll just type in text left and then grab this preset here, drag that on, and we've got this. And to move that word out, I think I want it to whip out a little bit quicker, so I'll go for a slide effect instead, slide out right in this case. Cool. And next up, let's add some glow. So I'm going to add a glow to the word effect first. So if I click on the duplicate clip of the word effect and then go to effects, search for glow, find the preset, drag that onto the duplicate clip. Then I just need to pop into effect controls. Under that preset effect, select tint and use the color picker to choose the right color. And that glow's far too heavy, so I just need to bring the opacity down on the duplicate clip. And then same deal for the word flicker, I'll bring that glow right down to make it more subtle. And then last touch, I'll add an out of focus blurred edge effect to the 2 main words here. To do that, I'll nest the clips, find the relevant effect and drag that on. And here's the result, how to create this flicker effect in Premiere Pro. So that's how quick using presets can make your editing. We didn't even touch keyframes there. So if you want to speed up your edits in the same way, hit the link in the description and grab yourself a pack.